Welcome back to Dalmatian Investing, and for the very first time my small portfolio has surpassed £2,000. Now this may be peanuts to some, but it's a lot to me, and in this video I'm going to go through my portfolio, tell you what I've got and why. So stay tuned and see my £2,000 portfolio. Please note this video is for entertainment purposes only and is not financial advice. So here's my portfolio overall. I started this around November 2025 and it's now mid-February 2026. As you can see, the portfolio is £2,003.33. That's up 6.4%, which is £98.68. So in 3 or 4 months, that's pretty good, isn't it? 6.4%. I know things can change, but at the moment, that's how it stands. My first big holding is the S&P 500. I've got £435.40 in there, and it's up 0.2%, which is 40p, so not much at all. What I tend to do is add £3 per day automatically into the S&P, and hopefully over time, 5-10 years or whatever, it will go up by more than just 0.2%. Next up we have daily dividends, which is a pie on Trading 212. I think it's the most popular pie on Trading 212. I have £339.40 on that one, and that's up 9.6%, which is pretty good. That's £19.04 overall. My biggest stock is Coca-Cola at £248.79. I mean, everyone loves Coca-Cola and it's not going to go anywhere anytime soon, so I think that's a good investment, and it also pays some nice dividends. In fact, most of these stocks I've got pay dividends. Anyway, Coca-Cola is up 10.73%, which is £24.10. Next up is my all-world pie. That's £212.29. That's up 2.95%, which is £6.09 overall. That gives a bit of an alternative to the S&P 500. Next up, we have Main Street Capital, which is my favourite dividend stock. I made a video of this recently, so you can see that if you want to. Anyway, £170.98 overall on this share, which is down 3.93%, which is down £7 overall. But never mind, we're in it for the long term, so up and down, it doesn't really matter. Next up is AGNC. This is another high yield dividend stock. And I've got £110.75 in this at the moment, which is up 3.26%. And that's £3.50 overall in my pocket, which is great. Next up is AT&T. I have £75.49 in this one. That's up 11.19%, which is £7.60. So good going there. Next up is Procter & Gamble, £63.80. That's up 4.01%, which is £2.46 up. Next up is Johnson & Johnson, £60.98. That's up 19.36%. That's great, isn't it? 19.36% in 3 or 4 months. That's £9.89 altogether. Next up is Caterpillar. I bought this stock because I think Alex from Live Your Best Budget Life, she mentioned it on one of her videos, so I thought I'd buy a bit of that. I've got £52.34 in that. That's up 31.08% in probably 2 or 3 months. 31.08%. So great choice by Alex there. And that's £12.41 up. Next up is Realty Income. I've got a hold in the £53.51 on that one. That's up 11.71%. £5.61. So that's great, isn't it? Next one is Alphabet, which is Google. I've got £43.37 on that one. This is down 3.6%. I think only 2 or 3 of my stocks are down. But that's one down 3.6%, which is £1.62. Next up, we've got EPR Properties. I've got a hold in the £42.54 there. That's up 8.99%, which is £3.51. Next up, I've got British American Tobacco, £41.04. up 3.12%. That's £1.24. Okay, next up I've got Unilever, £27.50. That's up 10.57%, which is £2.63. Next up is Aviva. I think this is one on the London Stock Exchange, £23.82. That's down 1.49%. So only 3 stocks out of my 18 or 17 stocks are down at this current moment. That's down 36 pence. This next one is my Dalmatian undervalued Yahoo pie. It's something I just made up, and what I did was I got 3 or 4 stocks which were listed as undervalued on Yahoo Finance, and I bought, it must have been 3 stocks, I bought £5 of each of those just to see, just a bit of an experiment, and 3 of those, all 3 were undervalued stocks. Anyway, in the last month or so it's gone up 5.5%, which is 83 pence. So I'll monitor that, and in future maybe I'll do another one, and perhaps these undervalued stocks are worth investing in. Next up is National Grid, which is £10.35, up 4.02%, which is 40p. And the last one is Valmet, which I heard on a YouTube channel, some guy talking about this. They make paper, and he seems to think this is a company for the future, so I've put £10 in that. Anyway, £9.99 down, is up rather 0.1% or 1p. And that's the last of my holdings. And overall, since probably about November 2025 until now, I've received £7.02 in dividends. That's not bad, is it? £7.02 in dividends in the last 2 or 3 months. And things are growing and growing and growing. So if you want to see more of my investment journey in the future, please like and subscribe. And if you've reached the end of this video, if anybody's watched the end of this video, just leave a football icon in the comments, football emoji, just to let me know you watched the end. Until next time, and maybe next time it might be a £3,000 portfolio. Until next time, see you next time.